I can't believe that I'm boarding a plane in a few minutes and actually leaving Edinburgh. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. It has been a while since my last video upload, but as you can probably tell from the title of this video, it has been a very busy, hectic time, but I am back now with a very fun vlog and some really big news. Drum roll please. Can't believe I'm saying this, but I am actually moving to the Netherlands for an entire month. If you are new here, I am originally from South Africa, but I have been living in Scotland for over 2 years now. So I am obviously very excited to have this opportunity to move to a different country and be able to experience and explore the Netherlands. And of course, I'm bringing you guys along for this adventure with me. So in today's video, we are going to be prepping and traveling to the Netherlands. So let's get started. We are only 4 days away from flying out, so there's a few things that I still need to get because we are going away for an entire month, which is quite a long time. So I'm going to head over to one of the main shopping areas in Edinburgh and hopefully pick up everything that I need. So I'll bring you guys along and then we can do some shopping. I'm at St. James Quarter and I found quite a few things at Zara that I'm gonna try on. I'm keeping in mind that everything needs to be light for the airplane because I have a bag limit of 20 kilograms, at least it's summer, so that makes it a bit easier. I saw that they had a self-service checkout at the Zara, so we're trying it out. It took me a while to figure out how to remove the pin, but we got there. If you are a fellow South African watching this video, you will know that we basically need a visa to go anywhere in the world. It is always such a frustrating admin thing to go through. Also, because this trip was so last minute and we had to figure out everything so quickly, it was even more stressful to get the visa because each visa has a set amount of processing time. They say on the website it takes 15 business days, and when I went for my visa appointment, there was only 14 business days left before I would fly out to the Netherlands. I was so nervous that my passport wouldn't actually come back in time, but today guys, today it has arrived. We still need to see if I actually was approved for the visa. I don't know yet, so let's open this together and see if I'm actually allowed to go to the Netherlands on Sunday. Yes, we got it, we are in, we are going to the Netherlands. We are flying out tomorrow morning and I'm so excited, I can't wait. But that also means that I need to sort out all the packing today. It's actually the Edinburgh Fringe Festival at the moment, which is one of the largest art festivals in the world. If you are from South Africa, I would probably compare it to something like Art Club, but this is just on a much bigger scale and it also runs for the entire month. And we actually have a show booked today, and seeing as it is our last day here in Edinburgh, I thought I would bring you guys along. We can do some exploring in the city before we need to do the packing later on this afternoon. We are now on the Royal Mile, which is packed with people, as you can see, that are here for the Fringe show. There are a few street performers that do shows here for free, but we are here to watch an organ show specifically featuring pieces from Bach. I prefer piano to the organ sound, but it was still a really good show. Now we are just doing a fun walk around Edinburgh and of course this fudge shop caught our eye, so picking up some goodies for later. I am back from the festival. It was a really nice day out, but I am behind schedule now. So we need to get the packing sorted. I was thinking that maybe some of you might be wondering why I'm actually going to the Netherlands for an entire month. So I can just give you guys a bit more information while I'm doing my packing, and it's actually very straightforward. My husband needs to go for work, and because I basically work remotely, I can go with him. So I will be working full-time while I'm there. But of course, we'll still have the weekends and the evenings to do things. So we'll still have a chance to do some exploring. Please, if anyone has any suggestions for cool things that we need to do or try out, let me know in the comments. I've actually only been to Amsterdam, and that was just for one night, but it was a really cool experience. I went with one of my best friends and we were on a Quirky. So I'm excited to have the opportunity to go back now and see more of the country. I'm also going to try and film as much as possible, create some fun vlogs and videos of things that we get up to. So if you want to see the upcoming videos from the Netherlands, make sure you subscribe. I might just turn this into a time lapse now because, as I said, I am running a bit behind schedule. We need to leave the house tomorrow morning at 6:30 and I still have a lot of packing to do tonight. So let's switch into a time lapse, finish up the packing, and then I'll see you guys in the morning. We are now heading to the plane to board. We are catching a flight to Amsterdam, but this is only the first part of the journey. Once we're in Amsterdam, we are getting a bus and a train because we are actually staying in Eindhoven. So this is going to be a long travel day, but I'm so excited. I can't believe that I'm boarding a plane in a few minutes and actually leaving Edinburgh for an entire month.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. Just give me a...
Welcome to the Netherlands, guys. We are now at Schiphol Airport. The flight was so quick, so easy, and we are now going to catch a train. It's really convenient because the train station is literally underneath the airport, so we don't have to go too far with our big luggage bags. Welcome to Eindhoven, guys. We have made it. We are all checked in. And so far, everything about the Netherlands has been just amazing. Obviously, you saw the clips that I just showed of Eindhoven, which was yesterday when we arrived. And I was a bit surprised. It's a lot more modern than I expected. But I really like all the quirky buildings. The city was so clean and we felt so safe when we were walking around last night. So overall, just a really good experience so far. But I think I'm going to start a new video and go more in depth in there, covering my first impressions of the Netherlands and then just capturing my first week in a new country. So make sure you watch out for that if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming on this little travel journey with me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please consider giving it a like down below to help support my channel. And then I hope I'll see you in a new video next week.